Alright, tell up Alton. Come back for Pastor Alton. Run for this one.
Yeah, sit down.
Yeah, we're going to go and jog out the first door. Ready?
When did you?
Chucky, you do something to me. Why is that pastor teaching, man? I'm traumatized.
We must have passed the crucify him, you know. So you crucify you too?
No! I don't know the answer about it.
Yeah, she does say, you know what, I don't sexy, so I sexy, yeah. I told we don't want to put it in kids every year. Once I get crucified. Once I pass the crucify.
Yeah, I like your smile. Come on.
So she crucified him?
You do something to me. Cutie never do that mess up there yet.
That seems extreme.
I think Cutie did bad. He bad or Cutie.
You have to buy that 20 years, you know. But you will do. Take that rope.
What am I going to do to set her up?
It's like come sit up with father, easy man, just tell life on her. Tear your shirt. And call police for her. Hey, officer smile. What? Oh, you.
Pull in that shot, man.
No, you're not can't turn yourself because I said officer smile. Alright, so.
One second. Alright, shit. I don't know why I shot.
You good man, so where you shoot back for Officer Smiley part?
No.
No.
I want to show how I reach on.
But I lie, I tell Panny girl can not do nothing.
Alright. Yeah, no. But what we are going to do now? Chucky can't call link now.
After you get locked up?
No man, no matter. Just a shot. And then me and him going to do something. And then him go somewhere else and I go somewhere else.
So that before you get you up or after you get you up?
Before blow come, man. So
Okay.
So we spot when we split the ground with Chaka. At that time we had to split up.
Or yeah, it could have worked with this one. Or we do something else, yeah.
I feel your pitney dirty. No come to me, say if you come to me about me pitney, you tell me good.
Alright, sorry.
Me pitney not dirty. And your dirty
Big butty
pitney,
not
I
dirty.
tell like from Georgia.
Your son.
Come on, something now.
Hold me down, I don't take him back.
Yes, I saw you pick up and say your dirty pitney.
Take him back, you and me bulla and pick the bulla.
Say yes, you see your dirty son.
So, money me want, me come because I mean, I no money, no. From when me no get
yes,
no
I will only
taxi.
yes, me and below so long and so no come for money alone.
No, me no from when me no run on taxi and I want little money me have. And my daughter hungry.
Who
and me
tell
buy
us that my pitney take away your pitney bulla?
A big boy 11 this?
Yeah, big boy 11. Have your daughter tell me so?
Your daughter is a liar. I out there your daughter don't see your bride.
I realize still not can't be. If your daughter come tell me that still love me not ask some question. Me not ask some question. Me not ask some question. Me not ask
I
some
must look
question.
your daughter look my son about your phone it until like wait man. Hold on right beside it.
See I pick up your son, Johnny. I know bad pick me be.
I lie not tell upon him. This a time I may take out film. Leave him alone.
Cause you know saying just eat sitting before you left out the yard.
Right.
Alright. Alright, so we're so ready. What you enjoy, guys?
Do the first part. Do the first part.
No, come back some road come running down there.
Oh, do the first part then.
Yeah man, we do all of that. So no, start from, no, you just, no, go right back to find us. Let me start. Come inside us. Ready. Come, daughter, come. We are good up to him, mother. Come. Come on. Miss Candy!
Yes.
Look my vibrant, I know nice. So I make a loud to cut out the voice. Everybody's there, chat. Ready? Come, I'm ready.
Subscribe, my people. This is Big Boy 11 coming to you at your home.
Coming to the nearest TV to you. Tell me ready. What a shot, Papa.
Oh, me like shot.
Better duck behind the bar. Duck behind it, sir. Ready? Papa, where are you at this, sir? Bend down. Bend down, Papa. Candy!
Yes.
Come here.
Come in. Let me get that, Mrs. Strong. Hold on.
You know, say, you look at teeth in boy. Teeth, my daughter back juice and bullock.
How can pick me and call thief? I come to me, come and make one complain or what? You can't come to me, so.
Oh, give me the white.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
I'll make you call Mrs. Strong. Hold on.
You know, say, you look at teeth in boy. Teeth, my daughter back juice and bullock.
Who for pick me and call thief?
Not there, your boy.
When me pick the thief from you, if you come to complain to me about something, you can't style me pick me as no thief. Why you do now? Me tear down now. Why you do?
It means that it's Taylor.
Everybody a complain and I tell like running. Sure.
Come here. Candy, so tell me now, how you want if it come to you? Your son thief my daughter, bag juice and bullock. And imagine, I want money me have and me give me daughter, you know. And I like say, boy, me run taxi like a first time, nothing and go on. You understand? And she ask me, say she hungry, tell me say she hungry. And me give her and she go buy. Don't I shop this and in take away. Take you away.
Listen to me now. When you come to me to address my son, no want you address my son good. Not because everybody a call up in him. You sure say my son thief no bull and no bag juice from your daughter? Your daughter thief and you look like a thief. When a bright thing, everyone in this community a call up my picking name chewing bad. How was so?
Alright.
Go on where you go dirty taxi driver. You get hungry now.
Your son, I go put you in a big problem. Me no
Me always put me in my trouble. Me used to it. Girl, which part you know they go? Yeah, your daughter a thief. My son and no thief. No left him alone.
I saw some pain time.
Yes. Take up for them picnic.
I don't want him, but anymore.
Go
No, so
speak
you
the
say
wine,
no,
okay?
so you don't because no one in come, you beat him and tap his body.
Yes.
So you boy, you gonna beat the body.
Richie, tell Pastor to give me one more toast.
How much again?
We got that mic, alright.
I don't want
Don't forget none. Can you make it there? You know, for some guys, you get one. Go on in back up.
As dream ya dream, Shakaberry.
Shakaberry, imagine, you asleep and kids wake up and get toes in your one.
No, I went in here and not talk about the money in the yaya and say want to.
But you get toes, normal, you get toes.
He must sleep.
Let's get no.
Give him toes now. He must get money for toes.
You get no.
Go on back up.
Later.
Come on,